Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Shela Kareem from Daffodil School System. Today, my topic is IN words. IN words. This is a tin. T in tin. Second picture, bin. B in bin. Third picture, fin. F in fin. Last picture, win. V in win. Now we have interesting activity. First we look at pictures and found the letters. Which letter come first? Okay. First tell me, what is this? This is a bin? No, this is not a bin. This is a tin. T in tin. Found here, where is T? Yes, this is a T. T in tin. T in tin. Now second picture, bin. B in bin. Where is B? This is a B? No, this is not a B. This is a B? No. Yes, this is a B. B in bin. B in bin. Okay. What is this? This is a fin. F in fin. Yes. First letter is F. F in fin. F in fin. Last picture, win. V in win. V in win. I hope you enjoy this activity. Okay students, Allah Hafiz and take care.